Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ella. Yes, and today, just like every other day, I'm back with another exciting video of places and location where you can hang out in Enugu State, Nigeria. Yes, this place is not as new or as recent as other places that I normally do, but it is a location that I've been meaning to come and give my honest review of. So it has been in existence since last year, if my memory serves me right. But either way, it is the one and the only MUSE Boutique Hotel. It is a very beautiful, different, serene. The ambience is quite different from the hotels that we have in Enugu State. And trust me, it is a beautiful place for you to visit. So, before I proceed to show you guys around, I just want to sound this, like I am laying emphasis on it. If you're watching this video right now, please do me the biggest favor by hitting the subscribe button down below if you're a new person here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I noticed that majority of my viewers, like 90, if I'm not mistaken, 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So please, if you're looking at this video right now, do me the biggest favor by clicking that red big subscribe button to join the family. So with no further ado, let's get to it. So guys, welcome to the MUSE Boutique Hotel located at Plot 18 Premier Layout Enugù, Enugu State, just opposite Dunamis Church at New Artisan Market. It is one of the locations that has got a lot of people's attention in Enugu because of its unique settings, upholstery and ambience. It has 3 floors. Now let's take a quick tour of the rooms. As you can see, the room is highly sophisticated and the prices ranges from 35,000 naira and above per night. I kid you not, what you see is what you get. I just don't get enough of the vibrant colors in this location. Now let me take you guys to the old lounge and bar. Should in case you want to sit out and chill with your friends, you can visit the old lounge and bar. And of course, there's availability of the pool and the gymnasium for both visiting and non-visiting guests. Going up to the restaurant, I realized that someone was having a birthday, or rather they were setting up for a birthday batch. So I was not able to get a full video showing how the restaurant looks like. So bear it in mind, if you also want to celebrate your birthday in a place like this, I can assure you this is the perfect spot for you. But then again, I have pictures showing you how it looks like, how the restaurant looks like on a normal day. And in case you're wondering, their menu is quite affordable. They have pictures of it on their Instagram account, which I'm going to link down at the description box of this video. We had glasses of Chapman, which was about 3,000 naira, and it was awesome. So that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying put. So next time, I remain Ella. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share to your audience. Bye.